Tim Walling here, SC Legal Carry. We train people to get a CWP in the state of South Carolina. If you need a concealed weapons permit, please look us up online at sclegalcarry.com. What we've got tonight is the Beretta M1951. Now this is a single stack 9mm. Now, when I ordered it, everything was in great shape, ran good. Ordered one for a buddy of mine, and this locking block was broken off here on the side on his. So I took mine out, gave it to him. I've got the broke locking block. I found this. This is a old stock item, one of the originals. So I'm going to install it. DK Firearms. This is where I went and found the extra parts to it, extra magazines, the locking block. Let's go ahead and change this locking block out. So over here on this side, small dimple right here, we want to pull back, line it up. We push forward. There we go, just push forward and it comes right apart. Very basic design, not much different than the current ones. Set this to the side and let's pull this locking block out. Take our spring out. Now there are two types of springs, or two types of guide rods. My guide rod has this lip around the edge of it here, so you have to get your locking block that's set up for that to go into. They made another version of this later on. Pull this out. This is just going to lift up. You want to get these little wings right here to come out. There we go. Lifts up, comes right out of here, and then here is your locking block there. Little pin back here, pushes forward, makes this go up. And let's see if we can get this out of here. The screw in the front here. Let's get that little tiny screw loose. A little pressure off of it, it should come right out. There we go. There's a notch in the front. You guys see the wing right here. The wing snapped off on this side. And let's put just a little bit of oil on this before we install it. And Shooter's Lube. I love Shooter Lube's products. A little bit of oil is all it takes. We've already got some oil on the firearm. So we've got our locking block screw backed out, our pins out of the way, and let's just slide this new one right in. There we go. So we got it in position. Tighten our screw back up. There we are. So it moves up and down. Can't come back out. Little pin works on it. Fairly easy to do. So the two grooves right here, we want to be sure we get these right back in them. So let's drop this guy in. Line those wings up. Drop it right in there. There's what we're looking for. Put our guide rod back. Got our guide rod seated back in place. So the correct position is it goes down when it's closed, so you want it about right there when you actually install it. Match it up with this groove and flip it down. And there we go. And that's it. Back together. Not a difficult install at all. Please be a responsible adult. Don't push your responsibility as an adult off onto a child. Buy gun locks and gun safes. Till next time, folks, take care.